What's up, YouTube? I am back with another unboxing from DHgate. This is item number 3 of 10 different things that I have ordered. This is a purse and I want to surprise you guys to show you what kind of purse this is. I only spent $23 on this bag. It had high reviews, high ratings, and so I said, why not? Might as well see what it's like. And it had I think pretty high rating, almost 5 stars. So it was shipped in this white plastic. There was a little bit of damage that occurred during shipping, so you can kind of see the dust bag inside, and it wasn't wrapped with like that yellow tape or whatever that is that they usually ship in that I've received so far. So let us see. Okay, so it's gonna say plastic, but there's the tape. And this is a very popular purse. Okay, so it just had like this plastic or this cardboard blocking the brand that this bag is. So here's the dust bag. Nothing special, definitely not anything near an authentic Gucci dust bag. Again, this material is just like an Urban Outfitters shopping bag. But here's the purse. So it's the Gucci Soho Disco bag in black. This definitely smells. The G's. Okay, so when I was looking for a seller, I was making sure to at least know that it was placed correctly, like one on top of the other. But it's okay. It's kind of narrow right here, and I think their Authentic's a little bit thicker, like up here on the ridges. But it has the tassel. It's gold, and I know like the original has like light gold hardware. This one, in the light, it looks light, but it's pretty yellow. It's pretty gold. This one, at least the tassels, you know, they look completely solid. The strap's covered. So let's see, let's take this off. So there's nothing wrong with the stitching on the strap. There's no like loose pieces. This though has like some wobbly, like extra coating or whatever that they put here, and then right here it's like chipped a little bit, so it's not the best. But then again, it was $23. I know there were some people selling them for like $65. Okay, so there's like some string hanging out of the little loop right here, but at least it has a loop. Let's see inside. Let's see the zipper. It feels okay. Okay, so here's the inside of the bag. it's definitely like that twill looking interior, but it feels pretty like stiff. Like it feels like the material that those portable dog water bowls are made out of. Like, I don't know what you call that, but that's what's inside. That's what it feels like. And then it has a tag, like the Gucci made in Italy tag. And that's leather. Let's see if there's any type of like serial number, which I doubt because it was so cheap. Yeah, so there's definitely no serial number, but it's not bad. Not bad for 23 bucks. The zipper feels okay. This feels like plastic, like thick plastic. It definitely doesn't feel like metal. This is metal, but look, this ring has a gap, so it's not sealed at all. On camera it looks okay, but it's definitely not amazing. It's okay. It's definitely $23 worth. But yeah, it does have a smell. And it smells like a tire. A tire from your car, which is like rubber. And it just has like this little thing on it. So 23 bucks, DH Gate. Worth it? I guess. So until next time, bye guys.